was reading 1 Timothy chapter 6, verse 6 through 8, where it says, we brought nothing into this world, nor brought, and we can bring nothing out. To be content with our wages. I know some of you say, oh, so I'm not supposed to better myself, I'm not supposed to get a better job, and I'm not supposed to go back to school. Ain't nobody say that. When the Apostle Paul says, be content with your wages, it precepts to Ephesians 4:28, for example. Let him that stole steal no more. I saw a movie yesterday where a brother married a doctor. She was a doctor. And he felt so inadequate. So what he did was start to steal. And he went to jail for a couple of years. So rather than, go back to school or learn another trade or increase the trade skills he had, he decided to embezzle. And he went to prison. So when Paul says, be content with your wages, he means that. But there's nothing wrong with improving yourself. Improvement is what this world's about. We got to improve ourselves mentally, spiritually, physically, financially, if you understand what I'm saying.